everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, you've probably gone through moments when the Bluetooth button on your Windows 10 or 11 just vanishes out of nowhere. I also got this problem while connecting to Bluetooth devices as it disappears and is common these days. But here are some solutions I have myself tested and work nicely, so you should definitely give it a try. Solution 1. Run the Bluetooth Troubleshooter. All right, first up, we're going to use the built-in Bluetooth Troubleshooter. This is a quick and easy way to identify and fix common Bluetooth problems. Here's how you do it. Go to your Start menu and click on Settings. From there, search Troubleshoot. Then click on Additional Troubleshooters. Under the Find and Fix Other Problems menu, you'll see an option for Bluetooth. Click on that and then hit Run the Troubleshooter. This tool will automatically detect and try to fix any Bluetooth issues on your PC. It's super handy and often resolves the problem right away. Solution 2. Use the Hardware and Device Troubleshooter. Open up the Start menu and type in Command Prompt in the search bar. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type msdt.exe, ID Device Diagnostic, and hit Enter. This will open up the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter. Just click next to start the scan. The troubleshooter will now check for any issues with your hardware that might be affecting Bluetooth. Sometimes this can help fix the missing Bluetooth button issue. Solution 3. Check if your PC supports Bluetooth. To check this, press the Windows key plus to open the Settings panel. Click on Devices. Look for the Bluetooth and Other Devices menu. If you see it, then great. Your PC supports Bluetooth. If you don't see Bluetooth in Device Manager, your device might not have Bluetooth capability. In this case, you may need to use a Bluetooth adapter. Solution 4. Run Startup Repair. Finally, if all else fails, you can try running a startup repair to fix deeper issues with your Windows installation. Start by pressing and holding the Shift key at the Windows sign-in screen. While holding Shift, click on Power and then Restart. Your PC will reboot and bring up a new menu. Click on Troubleshoot. Next, go to Advanced Options and then select Startup Repair. This will take some time, but it will check and repair any startup issues that could be causing Bluetooth to disappear. These are the solutions that works 99% of the time, and if it doesn't work, it is possible that there is a hardware issue and your PC needs to be taken to the technician. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.